Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this warm peach inspired look for you. As you guys know, I enjoy my warm looks. I really wanted to do an orange lip, so I was trying to figure out what would pair well with an orange lip. So this is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how to create this look, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids using MAC's 24 Hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade NC30. I'm just going to put a bit of that on each eyelid. Is that too much? No. And then I'm just going to use my Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend brush. I'm going to use the bigger end. And then I'm going to set this using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'm just going to take this on a nice fluffy brush, and this is Morphe's S27 brush. All the way up to the brow bone. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And I'm going to start by using this orangey yellow shade. That's the second row, first color. I think these ones had names, but I'm going to be going in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush for this color. I'm going to use that brush that I used to set my eyelid, just to make sure there's no line up by my brow. So next, with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush, I'm going to be going in with this deeper orange color, and that is the second row, fifth color. I'm going to blend that right below that yellow. And into my outer V. Make sure to take that brush with the yellow on it and blend out these two colors so that they fade into one another. And taking your fluffy brush, use to set, just to make sure there are no lines and everything blends out seamlessly. And then I'm going to be going in with this deeper burgundy red right below that orange, and that is the third row, fifth color. I'll be taking this on my Morphe S20 pencil brush. And you're just going to pack it right into that outer V, that outer corner. And up into the crease a little bit. Going back in with my orange brush. And my yellow brush. And of course my fluffy brush. So now I'm going to go back in with that concealer I used to set my eyelid, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to be taking this concealer on my BH Cosmetics 11 brush, and this is a tiny little smudger brush, but I'm going to use it as a concealer brush for this. So I'm going to set this using that first yellow color. And I'm going to set it using this color so that it's more pigmented. So I'm going to go in with this small Morphe smudger brush and just pack this color on my lid. Just like that. So next, wiping off that smudger brush, I'm gonna go back in with that orange and just try and blend it into that yellow. And then making sure to get a little bit of that dark red as well. Just keeping that outer V. And I'm just gonna go in with that dark red on that smudger brush. Just really get that on my lash line. And not going in all the way. And then taking some of that orange and blending it out. I like to just like wipe off the brush that I'm using. It just makes it easier. And then going in with that yellow in the inner. Alright, now for eyeliner, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's liquid liner in Blackout. And if you ever want to like clean up your eyeliner a little bit, I recommend getting a thin eyeliner brush from the art store. I got this one from Michael's. Super tiny, so it's really good for details. Then just take whatever liner you're using and fix what needs fixing. So for my lashes today, I'm going to be going in with the L'Amour lashes in Liliana. Now to fix my eyeliner, I'm going to go back in with that little brush and my eyeliner and try and fix any stupidness that I just did. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Buxom's Blackest Black mascara. Now onto my bronzer, I'm going to be going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. Look how disgusting this is. And I'm going to be going in with these two browns. I'm going to be taking this on my Bow Bell B4 brush. So next I'm going to go in with my blush, and I'm going to be using Beauty Bakerie's Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palette. And I'm going to be going in with No Champagne, No Gain. And I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. highlighter, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Babe in Paradise. And I'll be using Mahu. And I'm going to go in with Too Faced's highlighter brush. I'm also going to use this color for my nose. And my cupid's bow. And then also using this color for my inner corner and brow bone on my Sigma E46 shader inner corner brush. So lastly, for my lips, I'm going to be going in and lining my lips with Mahogany by MAC Cosmetics and using Morphe's Lovely liquid lip. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. If you guys have any questions on this look or any requests for future looks, please leave a comment and let me know. I will get back to you 100%. I really hope you guys enjoyed this fall peachy orange tutorial, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.